Amir Hamza here. I'm talking about Until You Win in the words of Les Brown. I was born in Liberty City at the sorry. I was born in Liberty City, grown up with my twin brother. At the age of 6, we were adopted. When I was in 5th class, I was labeled as ageable, mentally retarded. I was shifted to an 4th class from the 5th class. That time was very difficult and hard for me. It was very difficult to pick me up and believing that I can do it. I can do it. There was a time when I was doubted myself that why God, why me? I'm just trying to take care of my children, my mother. I'm not stealing or rob anything from anybody. Now here I'm to those of you who faces hardship. Don't give up on your dreams. Never ever give up on your dream. Keep running, keep forward, keep push forward to your dreams. And as I believe I will have my own talk show at one day. It's a long shot from that Liberty City to that road. It's a long shot, ladies and gentlemen. It's a long shot. Never knowing my father, my mother. It's really a long shot. The person who believes, who run into his dreams, he believes. You will be successful. Everything is possible if you dream. If you want to become your dream in reality, you must follow 3 steps. You must be relentless, you must have a plan, and you must be creative. You must follow the successful persons. You must follow who are living their dreams. The person who believes if it's possible, it's up to him. It's up to him that it is possible. And they are resolving within themselves. They know it's not over until I win. Thank you.
Oh, great. Fantastic.